Hey there! Today, I want to share a bit about managing Azure updates using the Azure Update Management Center. It's like having a personal trainer for your cloud-based virtual machines so they stay as fit as can be, all the while keeping cyber threats at bay. First off, Azure VMs are our digital workhorses, but like real horses, they need regular maintenance to perform at their best. That's where the update management comes in handy, especially when you've got quite a few VMs to juggle. Without the Azure Update Management Center, you could face chaos akin to trying to organize your contacts without a phone, only there's a lot more at stake. Picture this Azure Update Management Center as a high-caliber command center. It's where policy becomes your playbook, and where you script out the best defense against vulnerabilities. Here, you've got control over the update lifecycle for hundreds or even thousands of VMs. It's all about having the right tools in the right place, ensuring policies for security, compliance, and service levels are enforced at the scale you need. Now, on to the juicy bits. Let's get down to the technical guts of managing Azure updates. We've got integration that works smoother than a well-oiled machine. By linking Azure Monitor and Log Analytics, we get real-time insights and a granularity of data that's second to none. This tells you everything from how a specific VM is doing post-update to pinpoint potential issues before they become a major headache. Supporting both Windows and Linux VMs, Azure Update Management Center ensures no machine feels left out. Whether you've got a garden of Redmond green or Debian blue, this tool's got you covered. It's seamless across different platforms, just like having one key for all your digital doors. Speaking of management, you've now got a dashboard, your personal command center with the power to schedule updates for Windows or Linux VMs, no sweat under your belt. Automate those updates during a low-usage window to avoid disruption. And when it comes to updates, you manage them not just on the surface, but at the very core by controlling the OS and application update flows. For enterprise-grade deployments, there's also a tiered approach that ensures updates roll out like clockwork, adhering to your organization's critical workflows and downtime thresholds. Tailor, prioritize, and manage the updates without breaking a sweat. And if you hit a snag in the process, well, Azure Update Management Center's got your back with advanced troubleshooting tools and alerts that keep you a heartbeat ahead of any potential threats. Now, every good system requires maintenance updates and patches, and that's just one facet of what Azure Update Management Center can do for you. It provides that extra layer for securing your Azure infrastructure, ensuring that everything's up to the latest industry standards before anyone tries to exploit outdated defenses. As we wrap up, remember, keeping Azure VMs and your environment secure is a marathon, not a sprint. You want a tool that grows with you, that scales as your business does, and that's absolutely what Azure Update Management Center offers. Alright, now that you are clued in on leveraging Azure Update Management Center, check out Span. Navigate to neeraj.qzz.io Span and give your updates the high-stakes handling they deserve. And hey, while you are there, take a moment to subscribe to Span TechLab. Span, your cloud-savvy resource hub for staying on top of technology's game. Let's not get backed into a corner, alright?